Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and change Reddit display name. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to make sure that you are logged in into the right account that you want to go ahead and change it from. And all you need to do is on the top right hand, you want to go ahead and click on this profile menu that you have. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the last setting, which is going to be the settings button over here. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken into this page right over here. You want to go ahead and select the second category, which is going to be profile. And once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the first arrow, which is going to be display name right over here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and add any display names that you want to go ahead and change to. For example, King Slaughter 11, and I can click on save, and it's going to go ahead and save my name into that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.